Welcome back, dear viewers. Today, we embark on an exciting journey to explore the history and health benefits of a beloved fruit that has captured the hearts and taste buds of people worldwide. Join me as we dive into the fascinating world of avocados. Avocado, a fruit that has captivated the taste buds of millions worldwide. But did you know that beyond its deliciousness lies a rich history and an array of remarkable health benefits? Join me as we explore the captivating journey of the avocado, from its ancient origins to its superfood status today. The avocado, also known as the alligator pear, is a fruit native to Central and South America. It has been cultivated for thousands of years and has a rich history dating back to ancient times. Ancient ruins, artifacts, and avocado tree. Our story begins in the ancient land of Mesoamerica, where the avocado tree, scientifically known as Persea americana, flourished thousands of years ago. The Aztecs, Mayans, and other indigenous civilizations held this fruit in high regard, attributing it with various mythical and cultural significances. The fruit held such significance that it was considered a symbol of fertility and was even believed to possess mystical powers. Fast forward to the 16th century when Spanish explorers encountered the avocado during their conquest of the Americas. They were enchanted by its taste and brought it back to Europe, where it gradually gained popularity. Some historical paintings depicting avocados in European markets. However, it wasn't until the early 20th century that the avocado truly took root in the United States. California emerged as a hotspot for avocado cultivation, and with improved transportation systems, its popularity spread across the nation. There are many varieties of avocados grown around the world today. These are just 7 examples of popular varieties: Hass, Fuerte, Reed, Pinkerton, Bacon, Zutano, and Lamb Hass avocado. Avocados are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. They are rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, making them a perfect addition to a balanced diet. Did you know that adding avocados to your meals can actually improve nutrient absorption? They are a fantastic source of healthy fats, which aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, which are essential for overall well-being. Avocados are an excellent source of healthy fats, including monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce bad cholesterol levels. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, which are good for your heart. These fats can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. The monounsaturated fats found in avocados can help lower the risk of heart disease by reducing inflammation and improving cholesterol levels. Additionally, their high fiber content promotes satiety, making you feel fuller for longer and aiding in weight management. Skin, hair, and eye health host. Avocados offer more than just internal health benefits. They also work wonders for our skin, hair, and eyes. Avocados are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats, which nourish and hydrate the skin, promoting a youthful appearance. They also contain biotin, a vitamin that supports hair health and encourages growth. Moreover, the high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin in avocados can help protect our eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. They may also help lower inflammation in the body, support brain health, and regulate blood sugar levels. Avocados aren't just beneficial when consumed, they can also work wonders for your skin. Their natural oils and antioxidants can nourish and hydrate, leaving your skin looking radiant and rejuvenated. Avocado Face Mask. Ingredients: 1 avocado peeled and mashed, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Directions: mix both ingredients together and apply on a clean face for 30 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Your face will be smooth and glowing. Avocado Hair Mask. Ingredients: 1 avocado peeled and mushed. Directions: apply mushed avocado, massage to your hair roots. Wait for an hour and rinse it off with warm water. Your hair will grow much faster and be strong, shiny and healthy. Avocados aren't just good for you, they are also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. From a healthy, morning, avocado green smoothie. The classic guacamole to trendy avocado toast, avocados lend a creamy texture and a rich, buttery flavor to countless recipes. They can be used in salads, sandwiches, smoothies, and even desserts, making them a versatile and delectable addition to any meal. The possibilities are endless. Avocado guacamole recipe: 2 medium avocados peeled and pitted, 1 cup of fresh peas, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon freshly squeezed lemon juice, salt and pepper to your taste. Directions: mush all ingredients. Your guacamole is ready. Enjoy! Avocados' rise to superfood status has also prompted an increased focus on sustainable farming practices. The demand for avocados has led to initiatives promoting ethical sourcing, fair trade, and environmentally friendly cultivation methods to protect the environment and promote sustainability. And there you have it, dear viewers, the captivating story of the avocado, filled with history, health benefits, and culinary delight. I hope you've enjoyed this journey through time and have gained a newfound appreciation for this amazing fruit. So, next time you enjoy a slice of creamy avocado or savor the tangy delight of guacamole, remember the incredible journey this fruit has taken from its ancient roots. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.